In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate sending emails from Gmail to a Google Sheet using Zapier in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner trying to streamline your operations or someone just looking to save time, this guide is for you. Let's dive right into it. First up, you'll want to head over to Zapier.com. If you haven't heard of it before, Zapier is an amazing tool that connects your apps and automates workflows. Once there, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click Log In. If you don't have an account yet, you'll see an option to sign up, but if you're already a Zapier user, just go ahead and log in using your Google account. This streamlines the process, making everything easier and faster. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the home page and click on Create. This will take you to the area where all your Zaps, which are the automated workflows, live. Once there, select Zaps. It's time to set up a new automation, so let's get started with creating a new Zap. Click on Trigger to select the event that will start this automation. In this case, we're focusing on Gmail, so go ahead and click on Gmail. A new window will pop up asking you to choose an event. In our case, you'll select New Email. This means Zapier will trigger every time you receive a new email in your Gmail account. Now log into your Gmail account if you aren't already. This step ensures Zapier has access to retrieve emails and start automating based on the workflows you set up. With Gmail connected, the next step is testing the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. Click on the test button and a list of your most recent emails should appear. This is Zapier confirming it's successfully pulling emails from your account. Now let's set up the action part of the Zap. Click on Action, which will direct you to choose where the information from your emails goes. We're using Google Sheets, so select Google Sheets from the app list. Under Choose an Event, you'll want to select Create Spreadsheet Row. This tells Zapier that every time a new email is received, a row should be added to your specified Google Sheet. Again, you'll need to sign into your Google account if not already connected. This allows Zapier to access your Google Sheets to add those rows automatically. After choosing the correct sheet and having your spreadsheet and email data mapped correctly, it's time to test this setup. Click Test to make sure it's all functioning smoothly. Look out for that new row in your spreadsheet with your email data as confirmation. Finally, with everything set up and tested, click on Publish to activate your Zap, and there you have it. You've just automated Gmail to Google Sheets in Zapier. You can now sit back and let Zapier handle the rest, saving you both time and effort. Thanks for tuning in.